Hi, this lesson goes with Unit 20 in Focus on Grammar 2. It's about simple past questions. So when you ask a question about something in the past, you always start with did. Okay, did means the past. So did, then your subject, then your base verb, not your past tense verb, and then usually a past time, like yesterday or a week ago. Okay, remember every time you see did, you're not going to put the past tense verb in the same clause as did. You're going to have did and the base verb. So here I have, did Mr. Benson buy a new car last week? Don't say, did Mr. Benson bought? No, no, no. Did Mr. Benson buy a new car last week? And the answer is either yes, he did, or no, he didn't. Now, you could answer in a complete sentence, then you would use the simple past of the verb. So you would say, yes, he bought a new car last week. Of course, in negative, you would say, no, he didn't buy a new car last week. Now, we can ask past questions with our who, what, where, when, why, how. So all we do is we follow this same pattern. We just put the WH word in front. So the WH, did, subject, base verb, and usually the past time. So when did you move to Canada? Not when did you moved, but when did you move to Canada? So in a complete sentence, it would be, I moved to Canada in 2012. In speaking, we would just say in 2012. Okay, here's another one. What did you do last night? A possible answer might be, I watched TV. Okay, now, if you ask a question with who, and the answer is the subject, it's just who verbed. So here we do need the past tense of the verb. So for instance, who studied last night? Okay, so not study or not who did study, just who studied last night. Now here we see the answer is Jane and Sue studied last night. You see Jane and Sue, that's the subject in this sentence. Okay. Now, if the answer was last night, then it would be, when did Jane and Sue study? They studied last night. Okay. Another one we use is, what happened yesterday? What happened? Don't say what did happen or what's happened. I hear that a lot. What's happened? It's what happened. Okay. Well, what happened? Jim's wife died yesterday. And that's it. Talk to you again next time.